morning student, myself Atul Maurya from Dr. KPS. So student, today I will discuss about mole versus volume. Means we find a relation between mole and volume by using ideal gas equation, that is PV equal to nRT. So let us start. Here mole versus volume, we use a simple formula PV equal to nRT. In this formula here value of P is 1 atm and that is pressure, its value 1 atm, and here volume, that is volume, means we find volume of gases, and number of mole, and R, that is Ricard constant, its value 0.0832, and temperature, it is temperature, here we take value of temperature 273 Kelvin. So at standard condition, means NTP and TP or STP, we take pressure 180, okay, and number of mole of gases, a mole of gas is equal to 1, and here temperature 273 Kelvin, and we try to find value of volume, that is Kc. So by using this formula we find value of 1 mole of gas. So let us start. P that is 1 atm, volume, I write volume here, V, and number of mole we take 1 mole, means we try to find for 1 mole, and R, value of R equal to 0.083, and value of T 273 Kelvin. If we find value of V, means volume, then we find that 22.4 liter. In case of ml, this value converted to 22,400 ml. Okay? So it is value of 1 mole of gas. It is value of a volume of 1 mole of gas. So it is our basic concept, but here I try to derive a new formula by using this concept. It is value for 1 mole, a volume for 1 mole of gas. Suppose in case n mole of gas given, x mole of gas given, then what we do? So we convert this formula in other format. Means we can write here volume of 1 mole of gas 22.4 liter. Then find the volume of n mole of gas. Okay. So what we do? We know that 1 mole occupy 22.4 liter value. So n mole occupy question mark how many liter value? So what we do? We do only cross multiply, then we find value of his volume equal to n into 22.4 liter. So it is our simple formula. By using this formula we easily find volume of number of mole of gases, means any gas given in case of in form of volume, so mole, then we find volume of gases. Suppose I take example, simple examples. I say 1 mole, so not 1 mole, 1.5 mole oxygen gas occupies what value? I want to say what is value of 1 1.5 mole of oxygen gas. I say any gas. Here any gas given. You apply same formula and try to find volume. Suppose here number of mole n equal to 1.5. So volume equal to 1.5 into 22.4 liter. It is volume of 1.5 mole of oxygen gas. Suppose if a volume of gas given and say find the number of mole, then what we do? We use same formula. So I take another example and try to find out mole of gases in case of volume. Suppose 5.6 liter oxygen contain how many mole? How many mole? So what we do? We know volume equal to and number of mole into 22.4 liter. So here is a volume is given, that is 5.6 liter, and number of mole I don't know, and we try to find. So n equal to 5.6 upon 22.4. Then we find number of mole of given gas, oxygen gas. Here maybe you can take any gas. It is applicable for each. But there is a condition. This formula applicable only for gas. Okay. So I try to convert this formula in other format. So by using basic concept of mole. So we recall previous concept, that is we know that mole equal to weight upon molar mass. Weight upon molar mass. And we know molar mass may be atomic mass, may be molecular mass, may be ionic mass, anything. It is common name, that is molar mass. So we know mole means n equal to weight upon molar mass. And by using that formula, we know volume equal to n mole into 22.4 liter. So here, in the place of n, we can write volume equal to weight upon molar mass. Means we can write molecular weight, ionic weight, and here 22.4 liter. So it is our new formula. By using this formula, we can find a weight of gas, molar mass of gas, or volume of gas. It is other form of mole formula. Means we know that mole equal to weight upon molar mass. So I write here on the place of n weight upon molar mass. So it is simple formula. You can easily find formula. So I again discuss about density. This is completed. So I again discuss new topic, that is density. In previous class we know about density. Density equal to क्या होता है? Density mass per unit volume. That is formula of density. Density equal to mass upon volume. By using density, we can easily find or we can do comparison between lighter and heavier weight element. Lighter and heavier weight liquid may be gas. So in case of water and oil, we take simple example. If we spray oil above surface the water, then what happen? Oil float above surface the water. Why? Because oil have low density in comparison to water. Okay. So if any liquid have density 1, it means its volume and weight always equal. It occur in case of water. Means in case of water, volume and weight. Suppose I take 1 liter of water, then we weigh, then we find 1 liter of water is equal to 1 kilogram of water. Means when volume and mass of same liquid or same things equal, then we find density 1. Okay, so it is formula of density. By using the density formula, we can find which liquid is lighter in weight and which is heavier in weight. So in new video we discuss about briefly about density and how we use density formula in case of mole concept. So wait for new video. Thank you for watching.